Most people believe one thing about money. You need money to make money, so they wait. They wait until they have more savings, more time, more knowledge, more confidence, but nothing changes. Because the truth is, you don't need money to start. You need a system, a clear path, and most people never see it. So here's exactly how to build wealth, starting from zero. Step number 1. Learn a high-income skill. If you have no money, your first asset is your ability to earn. Not a business, not investments, a skill. Something people are willing to pay for. Sales, copywriting, video editing, marketing. These skills don't require money to start, only time and focus, and here's the advantage. You can learn them faster than ever before, online for free. But most people don't commit long enough. They jump from one thing to another and stay broke. Focus on one skill, practice daily, and get good enough to get paid. Because income is the foundation of everything. Step number 2. Turn skill into income. A skill alone is useless if you don't use it, so the next step is simple. Monetize it, freelance, offer services, work with clients. Don't overcomplicate it. You don't need a perfect brand, or a website, or a big audience. You just need one client, then another, then another. Because once you earn your first money, everything changes. You gain confidence, you gain proof, and you build momentum. Most people get stuck here because they overthink. But speed matters more than perfection. Step number 3. Escape the time trap. At first, you trade time for money. That's normal, but if you stay there, you stay limited because time is finite. So the next step is leverage. Turn your skill into something scalable, build systems, create products, automate processes. Instead of working more hours, make your work work for you. That's how you break the limit, that's how you grow. Step number 4. Invest and multiply. Once you have income, don't just spend it. Use it, invest it, build assets, because income makes you money. But assets make you wealthy. This is where most people fail. They increase income and increase lifestyle. Instead of building freedom, even small investments matter. Because over time, they grow, and eventually, they replace your income. Step number 5. Think long-term. Wealth is not built in months, it's built in years. And that's why most people quit. They expect fast results. But real success is slow at first, then fast. If you stay consistent, if you don't quit, if you keep improving, you win. Because most people stop, and that's your advantage. You don't need money to start, you need direction. Learn a skill, turn it into income. Scale it, invest it, and stay consistent. That's it, simple steps, but very few people actually follow them. And that's exactly why they work.